Oh no, you lost your glove. Say, I gotta throw these snowballs, Mom. That's cold, Kyle. Snowballs. Maybe we should make a small one so you can hold it. Here. Here, a small one. There you go. Good throw. Throw that snowball. Look at your runny nose. Ah. Is that good, Kyle? That's yummy.